I'm National Weather Service meteorologist Jared Heil with your forecast update on your Saturday. This is the rainfall we saw just last evening, with localized up to 2-inch amounts causing flash flood warnings to be issued across the southern part of Phoenix, close to Chandler and Sun Lakes. 1.96 in a gauge there south of Chandler. Other parts of the valley seeing a quarter to a third of an inch in some instances, so a beneficial rain as long as it doesn't come down too quickly, of course. This is the satellite imagery as of early Saturday morning. You see a band of clouds from our area and points north and northeastward. There is some jet stream energy that also supported sparking those downpours and storms earlier last evening. That's all pushing away from us. So for today, about a 20% chance in that shade of yellow from Phoenix off to the west for pop-up showers and storms between 2 and 9 o'clock. If there were to be an area of concern for gusty wind potential, that would be probably the farther west you travel on the Maricopa, Yuma, La Paz County lines along I-8 and I-10. So that's where the models are indicating some storms popping up and perhaps producing downburst winds. So keeping an eye on that area. The overall best chance of rain is once again in the higher terrain of Gila County. Now here's one of our forecast radars, and you can see here as this goes forward by 2 or 3 o'clock, it actually does paint scattered storms over Yuma and La Paz counties, and that's why we're a little more concerned for some gusty wind and blowing dust activity out in those areas. In Phoenix, it may take until later on this evening when the outflow boundaries push toward the city for us to see the potential for any showers and storms, but the rain chance does look to be only around 20 to 25% in Phoenix for this evening. This is the weather pattern map for Sunday and Monday. Notice there's a little weak jet stream energy passing through to our south. It's very, very weak, but it may be just enough with the amount of moisture in place to spark more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity. Otherwise, high pressure is in place off to our north as well as our northwest and our east. So we're in a little area where there's just enough energy to spark perhaps a couple of showers and storms in the afternoon and evening hours that could be gusty. We've seen that recently, but it could be a little better coverage than we've seen recently as well. The rain chance in Phoenix, 40% Sunday, 30% on Monday. And you can see those temperatures still hot, but down to 104 for Monday before climbing again toward the middle part of the week to come. So on the weather risk outlook, orange coated there with moderate risks for lightning, wind, and dust for Sunday and Monday across the Phoenix area. And then for today, again, we're concerned about that I-8 and I-10 corridor west and southwest of Phoenix for some gusty winds and blowing dust and any storms that develop. Overall, on the rainfall forecast the next 7 days, you can see this is not painting overly widespread heavy rainfall, but if you see repeated rounds of rain like we had last evening, yeah, localized flash flooding and heavy rain will be observed in a couple of pockets here and there. In the meantime, for us, have a great Saturday and a great weekend from here at the NWS Phoenix.